All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another week. Today we're going very different from the usual. We're actually going to do the cocktail called the Aviation. All right, it's a big jump from what we usually do, Manhattans and such. So let's just get into it. So first thing we're going to need is 60 mils of gin, 15 mil of Maraschino, 8 mil or a quarter ounce of Creme de Violette, and 22 mil of lemon. All right, we're going to put our ice in and give it a good shake. We're going to whip out our Nick and Nora and pour it in there. And then we're gonna garnish it off with a Brandied Cherry. And that's all it is, guys. Just 4-ingredient cocktail. The Aviation Cocktail is a very well-known cocktail. Most people know about it. It's because it's usually quite purple. Usually when it's served in bars, they go pretty heavy on the Creme de Violette sometimes, which gives it that nice purple color. You only need a quarter shot of it. Anything more than that, you're getting very floral in there, okay? The Aviation Cocktail itself it dates back to the early 1900s. It actually first appeared in Hugh Ensign's book, Recipes of Mixed Drinks, back in 1916, okay? So, very old cocktail. It was very, very popular at the time, and then for some reason during the 60s, Creme de Violette just disappeared. Couldn't get it anywhere at all. It wasn't until the early 2000s where they were able to actually get Creme de Violette back on the market. Okay, so once they did that, it started popping up all over North America again in all the bars, and it kind of had a big revival kind of a thing, okay? As far as like the drink itself, it's a sour. It's got a little bit of maraschino in there, a little bit of cherry. The Creme de Violette is meant to bring out some floral notes, okay? It almost gives it like this, it's almost medicinal, which is why you might hear a lot of people say that they don't like the Aviation. It's usually because of the Creme de Violette. This actually was made at one point when Creme de Violette was gone. They would still make the drink, they just wouldn't use that. So then you would have more of just like a gin sour with maraschino in it. It's not my favorite drink by any means, but if someone ordered one for me, I would definitely be drinking it. There's no way I would turn this away. It is an enjoyable drink. This is a far jump from Manhattan, I know. I'm going to be getting into some more shaken drinks now. I think the summer's coming along. We're going to be wanting more refreshing stuff. But that is all that I have for you today, guys. If you like these videos, please let me know in the comments. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. More of these are going to be coming out every single week. If there are drinks that you think I should do on here, let me know. I can try and whip them up. All right. Until next time, guys, keep stirring. Cheers.